Come on. I know how much you've read.
I don't love him.
Okay, she doesn't love him, only I love him. Okay, and this one particular book we've read a lot when Sasha was littler. Is it bedtime, Wibbly Pig? So this is Wibbly Pig, and this story is about his bedtime. Now, out of all the children here, who's really good about bedtime? Do you all quickly do your bedtime routine and jump into bed and fall asleep fast? Or do you all take time to change, to brush, to go to sleep? You can guess which one is Sasha, no? Let's find out about Wibbly Pig. Sorry. Is it bedtime, Wibbly Pig? Is it bedtime, Wibbly Pig? No, silly. I'm still in the bath. So look at him. He's gone to have a bath before bed and he's playing. He's made a huge bubble bath and he's playing with his toys. So someone asks him, is it bedtime yet? He says, no, I'm still in the bath. Have you finished your bath, Wibbly Pig? No, I'm still drying my toes. See, he's gotten all his toys, his stuffed toys together and he's still drying his toes. Will you be long, Wibbly Pig? No, not long. What story is he reading? And look at him. His bunny is playing with the toilet paper. He's sitting for really long in the loo. And he's saying, no, I won't be long. But he's reading a book in the loo. Are you ready for bed now, Wibbly Pig? No, I'm finishing my story. So see, he's reading a storybook about the 3 bears. Have you finished your drink, Wibbly Pig? No, it's too hot. Isn't it, Pigly? So this little creature here is Pigly and he's Wibbly's all-time companion. So they're both having a cup of hot milk before bed and the milk is too hot, says Wibbly. Are you brushing your teeth, Wibbly Pig? No, I'm drawing a picture of Pigly. Just look at that. He's wasting time at every bedtime task. Now he's sitting and drawing pictures on the mirror. Do all of you all do this or do you all do things quick? Are you going up to bed, Wibbly Pig? No, I'm counting the stairs. So he probably goes up and down these stairs several times a day. They are in his house, but he's still counting the steps just before bedtime. Aren't you sleepy, Wibbly Pig? No, I'm bouncy. Look at him. He's such a neat bed. He's bouncing on it. The pillow, the blanket, even the mattress is going flying. Shall we close the curtains, Wibbly Pig? No, I want to look at the moon. So he even wants to say goodnight to the moon and the stars before he sleeps. Do you want Pigly or Flop or Dimple to sleep with? I want all of them. Do you all sleep with a stuffed toy or your favorite blanket? What is your stuffed toy? Shall we turn out the light, Wibbly Pig? Wibbly Pig? Wibbly Pig? Are you asleep, Wibbly? Has Wibbly gone to bed already? No, I'm dreaming. And look at what he's dreaming about. Hurry up, Wibbly. Where shall we go tonight, Wibbly? Is Pigly coming? Good night, Wibbly Pig. Sweet dreams. So can you see that? He's having a dream. And who all is he dreaming about? What all did he do before going to bed? He had a bath with his toys and they are all here. That's Flop. Where's Pigly? Where's Pigly?
I don't know where's Pigly.
There's Dimple. And I don't know where Pigly is. And then he played with the duck and the duck is here and he read a book about the 3 bears and they're all here. So they are all Wibbly Pig's bedtime companions. Isn't that lovely? And was he speaking to the moon before he slept? Yes, he was. So the moon is in his dreams too. Pigly is here. It's been very long we haven't read this book. So they're all going on a lovely dream. Isn't that nice? Did you all enjoy it?
We didn't.
You didn't? Oh, Sasha didn't enjoy the book reading today. But
I
I hope
did.
you did. Okay. I hope all